If you get your carpet wet, it's important to act fast to keep it from getting moldy or musty. Start by laying some clean, dry towels down on top of the wet area. Walk back and forth over the towels, or push on them with your hands to help them soak up as much water as possible. If the towels become soaked through, remove them and replace them with fresh ones. If you have a wet, dry vacuum cleaner, use that to pull as much of the remaining water out of the carpet as you can. Keep going over the area with the vacuum until you don't see any more water going into the tank. If the carpet is really soaked, keep an eye on the tank and make sure to dump it before the water reaches the overflow line. Once you've gotten the carpet as dry as possible, encourage the rest of the moisture to evaporate as fast as possible by going over the carpet with a hairdryer and aiming one or more large fans at the wet area. If it's a warm, dry day, open the windows to let air circulate throughout the room. You can also rent a dehumidifier or industrial fan from a big box store and put it in the room to help dry out the carpet faster. Don't forget to check under the carpet to make sure the padding or underlayment underneath hasn't gotten wet as well. If it has, you may need to replace it or temporarily remove the carpet to let it dry. If you're dealing with a wall-to-wall carpet that has gotten completely soaked, your best bet may be to call in a carpet cleaning professional.